The Protestant is accusing again that the church, that the Vatican City is the throne of Satan. That's what we said. But let us look at the Bible. What does the Bible says regarding the throne of Satan? In the book of Revelation chapter 2, verse 12 to 13, it's very clear. To the angels in the church of Pergamos, write this: I know you where you live, where Satan has his throne. Pergamos, where Satan has his throne. If you try to look at the history, the Google search, or whatever material that we're going to use in order to define who is this Pergamos. Pergamos refers to northeast of Turkey. Historically, Pergamos is the center of all trade, artifacts, and all cultural aspect. And it was inspired by Alexander the Great. But years after years, it was destroyed. But the Bible never changed that Pergamos or Pergamum is the throne of Satan that could be found in Turkey. That's why stop your accusation, because you fail God and you violate the one of the 10 commandments, that thou shalt not bear false witness towards your brothers and sisters. So this is very clear for us that Pergamos or Pergamum is in Turkey, or Turkiya in Arabic, is the throne of Satan. Someday, the Turks will rise up again. Someday, the Caliphate will rise up again, and it will be started in Turkey. And let us be careful, especially the non-Catholic, that we should not tell lies, or we should not do not accuse your heritage, the Roman Catholic Church, because you're hurting God. So it is very clear in the Bible that the throne of Satan is not Vatican City, but it is Pergamum in Turkey, could be found in Middle East. Thank you so much. This has been Brother Boo. God bless us all.